How to buy BTC on your Binance apps. Open your Binance apps. This is my current balance. So if you want to add more balance or want to add balance, press on add fund. Then here you can see the option P2P deposit asset, deposit USDT. If you want to deposit with Apple Pay or bank transfer or card. Now deposit. Once deposit complete, for example I have $8, so I am to buy BTC. Now simply you need to go your trade. Now as you can see in spot section, if you don't see the BTC, press on BTC USDT, this option. Now this is the sell option and this is the buy option. Now if you want to buy, now select BTC and market option. Market option means you can instantly buy the current price, or you can select stop limit, stop market. There is a lot of option, but I want to buy it instantly, so I have to select market. Now BTC, how much BTC you want to buy. For example, I want to buy on BTC, then you need 77 to 88.63 USDT, but I have only $8, so I need to select USDT. Now for example, I want to buy for 5 USDT. Select your 5 USDT and press on buy BTC. Now deposit, unit 1.122 USDT. I don't have enough USDT in my balance. Yes, I completed my deposit, and now press on buy BTC again. Now you can see order is created. If you go to your history, then you can see a fail. Just ignore this message. Now reload your screen and press on your balance. Then as you can see, your BTC is now bought. So that's it. This is how you can easily buy it. If you want to sell it, I have another video, you can see it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.